Hi everybody, it's Liz with Liz at Tim's Budgets, and we are going to do my sinking fund stuffing tonight. It's actually really late at night. Sorry for the noise. I am not turning off my air conditioner. It's really hot in here. So we are working with 50, 70, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 5, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 230 is what we are starting out with. Now, not all of this will, hopefully not all of this goes into here. I didn't calculate, I just found the ones that needed stuffed and adjusted the trackers. So whatever's left will go towards my savings challenges. Let's go ahead and get started. I am going to go with my medical binder. We are adding $50 into my medical, and so there's 50, 60, and 66. I don't think this is right. I didn't go look it up, but it's around 66, 68, something like that. So we're just gonna go with that, and I'll fix it later. All right, so my Save Ahead binder is getting stuffed in the car insurance, which gets $20. So there's 120, 100, 220. Amazon Prime, we are putting $10 in here today. Skipping that, we will do Audible, which gets $6. So there is currently 125, 6, 7, and 128 in Audible. And summer utilities was done in the previous video, so I'm not going to stuff that today. Great, we will go on to car maintenance. We are adding $8, so 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right, so 100, 10, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. That's not right. I have I had one too many of these in there. So 100, 10, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40 in car maintenance. And that is actually the only one I am stuffing in there. So we are left with a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 5, 45, 55, 65, 75, 75, 85, 95, 95, 105, and 105 plus 20 is 125. So that is what we have left over for savings challenges this week. Thanks for being, oh, we had one more dollar. I can't count right tonight, but anyway, I will see you in the next one. Bye.